Hey you guys, this is Makeup by Kawanza. So I came in to do a sped up, quick little polygel refill of my nails. Yes, so I'm just showing you guys the new gel build I had from Pana. It's a 5-in-1. So what I am doing now, I am just going to use that 5-in-1. It's a coarse, medium coarse drill bit that I am going to drill that gel polish and just drilling away to get all that excess polish that I had on my nails so that I can perform my refill. Okay, and you guys, this is an awesome drill bit. I got that drill bit off of Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys are interested, and I bought it with my own money. So yeah, you can see how good it is. It's eating away at that gel polish on my nails, and that's what I'm doing, you guys. And you can see how it's going through the gel polish, and where I put it on thick for the gel glue for my rhinestones, and it did a good job with that. So and I am just getting that polish off for the set. So I want to take this time right quick to tell you guys, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel so y'all be up to date with everything that I post. I will be doing nail tutorials. I just seen how this lighting was. It wasn't the perfect lighting, but I know now that I can use my ring light. So I can use my ring light to have on top so it can be more lighting. So next time, y'all, it should be better, and I should be more in focus, because I wasn't that in focus in the camera, but you guys can see just about what I was doing. And I did needed a little refill. Nothing was really lifting, but I just wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you guys that I've been using polygel instead of my acrylic monomer and powder, because it's quicker and it's odorless. And so my house won't be smelling the acrylic smell for days. So yeah, and polygel dries just like acrylic, so, and it's very durable. It just depends on how you do it, but this is how I'm doing it. And I am using my Melanie Susie drill. It's the 2-in-1 with the light attached to it. That's what the kind of drill I'm using, if you guys is wondering. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the Gershion. I love Gershion polygel. I love the consistency. I love everything. And you can see I'm using my 91 proof alcohol for my slip solution. Okay, and what you guys going to see here is me. I am going to use the brush from the Gershion kit. This kit is not available now. I don't know why they stopped. I hope they re-up, because I have been buying Gershion products. I love their polygel, so I have some for myself. Hopefully they'll get some. So I'm using that base, y'all. Putting that base, and I put it under the light for 60 seconds. Now I squeeze out of the tube a ball, a kind of medium ball at the cuticle area, so that I can refill. And you see how easy it is to refill. I know I'm going fast, I have it sped up, but you guys, it's just a pat situation. That's why I love polygel. It's so easy. You stick it in your you stick your brush in that alcohol and you pat, put that under the light, and you're good to go. And polygel is a soft, when you're drilling it, it's like a soft fine dust that it makes. As you can see, I'm doing my other hand. So y'all, I wanted to show you guys how I just squeeze out some out the tube, and then I just start patting it until my liking, until it's how I want it to be. Yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing. So how you guys doing? I want to take this time to say Happy New Year. Thank you to my all new subscribers. I love you guys. And I want to tell you guys, Y'all go look at my last video if y'all haven't looked at my last video, because y'all might have missed something. So go watch that last video that I made. I will post the link in the description. So y'all, I'm so sorry right now, I was out of focus. So you see that I tried to get in focus. And y'all, I use alcohol 100%, 91% alcohol on my hands when I'm out because of the coronavirus and stuff like that. So my hands always dry. So I try to keep it. I'd be trying to keep it moisturized, but it get dry so fast because I use that. So I'm gonna have to like switch and use like, you know, the other stuff. But I just feel safer when I'm spraying that alcohol. But you guys can see it's such an easy refill, and I pat that away, put it under the light for 60 seconds, and voila, man. It's just that easy with that that Polygel. I think Polygel is beginner friendly, expert friendly, anything friendly. And I always use a tip when I use my Polygel, because I use a tip just like you're doing like the acrylic. Now you see me right here, I am just filing my nails to my liking. Filing them and just like, you know, shaping them to my liking. And I'm sorry I'm not in all the way in the frame, but that's what I'm doing, you guys. And I really like that Melanie Susie dust collector my daughter got me for Christmas. It really does a good job of sucking up that dust. You still have a couple of dusts around, but not like as much. So I was showing you guys the drill bit that I use. It's a cone shaped volcano one, but it's a fine one, and I use that one to go around, just to go around my cuticle area, so that I can define the spot. Unless that's if my Polygel like went over, you know, I use that bit right there to clean up that area so that my nails can look pretty and defined. So that's what I'm doing. Y'all can see. Y'all be careful if y'all use a drill bit like that on yourself or your clients, because it can cut you if you're not handling it properly, you know, because that's not the safety bit. That's, you know, it does cut at the edges, and that's why I use that one to carve out my that area, my cuticle area. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, you guys. So let me know, y'all like Polygel or acrylic nails? I like them both, but you just using it to your advantage. And y'all, this is a safety bit. You can see it's rounded at the edges. It can't hurt yourself, or you can't hurt your clients with that. It won't harm the cuticle area. So that's what I'm using, and you're gonna see me just shaping the nails and filing away the excess Polygel, you know, to shape it into the nail shape that I desire. And I am just cleaning it up. You're gonna see me just cleaning it up. And like I said, you guys, it's a quick tutorial. So subscribe. Hey, you guys, y'all go follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I got my Makeup by Kwanzaa Facebook page. And you guys, don't forget to shop my store, my online store, www.makeupbykwanzaa as well. Okay? So yeah, you guys, look, it's so easy. And I love that Polygel, because baby, it got me right quick. It got me right quick. So effortless. You see how fine that dust is? You can see how fine that dust is. But I love it. If you guys know some other Polygels besides Gershion is my top one. I never used none that has that good consistency as this one. But because they don't have no more kits. When I run out of this one, I'm gonna have to find me another brand that will be suitable for my liking. Now I'm just buffing the nails, buffing it down so it can look cute. So I can look cute, so the nails can look cute. Now guys, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and like it. Like this video and tell me you like more videos like that. Okay, don't forget to go look at my last video and walk in love, because Jesus is love, and if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love too. And you guys, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I will be designing the nails next, so be on the lookout for that one. Love you guys. Be blessed.